back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2024 Blade Show. I'm here with Rob, the owner, founder, and chief bottle washer at Exotac. You know I like me some Exotac. They're a good Georgia company, and their focus is on pretty much on fire.
On fire and survival.
Fire and survival,
Yes,
which
sir.
is right up my alley. So I was talking to him yesterday about my favorite lighter ever is the that one right here real quick. It's Titan Light, right? I've had one on my shelf, I was telling him yesterday, for like a year and a half. Took it out the other day before Blade Show to check it out. It lights right up, so the fluid's still in there. Look, and I showed him, look, I've got in my pocket every day a big lighter. But big lighters are extremely limited. They will fail. But then he showed me, you got something brand new coming out. You're going to be the first people to see this, I think.
Yeah.
We'll sneak peek.
We've been teasing a little bit.
And what is this called?
That's called the Fire Sleeve Mini. It's for the Bic Mini.
And look what's in here. Look at that. So it takes this pigment and protects it from getting wet. A lot of other things.
Yeah, it keeps the gas button from being pressed down.
Yeah.
You can lash the cap and the body together and put it around your neck. And the other cool feature, which we patented, was you can slide the strap over the gas button and it holds it on for you. And that's really nice if you're going to work on some cordage, or if you want to reach into a tinder bundle. When you're done, you just slide it off and cap it.
You can set this under a damp tinder bundle now with that, and you can heat it up and get it to burn.
Yeah, and we'll be launching on a Kickstarter in a couple of weeks.
I've seen a lot of the stuff on the channel. You know I like it, but I kind of want to get into like how you got involved in this and how you started this company. I know this is a small family-owned business, Georgia business, and I think you have an engineering background. I was asking yesterday, I said, man, how did you get from being an engineer to making fire starters? So how did that come about?
You know, it's a long story, but I'll try to keep it short. Really, it started as I was working a full-time job as an engineer, and I was very creative. But I didn't have a way to express my creative efforts, so I started doing some side work. I did consulting engineering for other people, and decided I was designing other people's products, and I really wanted to design my own. So I designed my own as a case study to teach other people, my customers. A lot of them were inventors. I wanted to show them here's how you take an idea from a napkin sketch to full production. And it was also me learning at the same time. So I grew up. I had a friend, actually Marshall Hoots from Going Gear, who had recently started an outdoor store, and we were working together on some ideas. And I came up with the Nano Striker and the Match Cap, and I made a bunch of them. I made it all the way through the production process, and it was a case study. And I made them, and I was like, well, now I've got a bunch of them. I had to buy a bunch of them since before I got into manufacturing. And so now they were in my living room, and I told my wife, as long as we can sell these in a year, we'll be okay. We'll have extra money. And so I was also consulting. I was selling Exotac products, and I had a full-time 40-hour engineering job, and we sold them all in a few months. And after that, we're like, well, what do we do? And my wife's like, order more, right? Do it again. And so it just kept ordering more, and then eventually I'm like, oh, this is like a real business now, isn't it? I never really had a business plan. I kind of just went with it. It never intended to be a business, and that's how it got started.
That's cool. And so your stuff is 100% made in the USA right here in Georgia.
We have some parts, like our tool roll that we import for cost reasons, but all the metal products, we machine them all in-house. Yeah, even the injection molded products, like this new Fire Sleeve Mini that's coming out, is molded not in our shop, by our friends that are like 3 doors down.
Yeah, I just thought it'd be pretty interesting for you to I like to see the people behind the products, because you know I like Exotac. You've seen them all, but maybe you haven't heard how it got started in the story. And you guys have you're in slightly northeast of Atlanta.
Yeah, we're up in Winder. It's kind of in the country, about an hour northeast of Atlanta.
When Chuck Norris wants an egg, he just cracks open a chicken.
So making really high quality products made in the USA, and I'm telling you, there's nothing else to say. They're really great stuff. Check it out, and thanks for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2024 Blade Show. I almost said SHOT Show. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.